Hey, what's up? It's Triggy, and in this video we're going to be making a vehicle, but not just any vehicle, an omnidirectional vehicle. An omnidirectional vehicle is a vehicle that, along with being able to go forward and turn left and right, can also rotate in place on what's called a zero radius turn, and it can move laterally, meaning while facing forward it can move left, right, or on any angle while facing the same direction. So there's a vehicle that can already do a lot of these movements, which is a wheelchair. A wheelchair can already move forward and turn left or right, and do a 0-point turn. So we're going to use this to base our design and then just figure out how to make it move laterally. And the way we'll approach this is we'll add a set of wheels onto the front, which can rotate left or right, and then we'll just set up the larger wheelchair wheels like Omni Wheels, which are big wheels with smaller wheels embedded into it so that it can move left and right. Usually these are really small. The one you're looking at is probably around the size of a skate wheel, so we're going to have to make these by hand. Since all the parts for the build are probably going to be pretty expensive, we only want to have to build this once. So what we can do is model the vehicle in a program like SolidWorks, where we can do tests and simulations to make sure everything works the way we expect it to, and to make sure that everything fits together properly. Here, for example, is what our large Omni wheel is going to look like. You can see it's made out of 3 layers of plywood and held together with 1/4-20 nuts and bolts. All around the larger wheel, you can see these smaller skate wheels facing perpendicular to the direction of the larger wheel, which is going to allow it to translate left and right. Each of these is on an 8mm axle, which is embedded into the central layer of the plywood. And here's what the design would look like all together. You can see we have the large Omni wheels on the left and right of the seat. That's where the user is going to sit, and those handles on the left and right are going to rotate a sprocket, which is going to allow for steering. You can see that the Omni wheels are just going to move freely so that the user can rotate them with their hands. Let's talk about steering. So this handle is going to be attached directly to this sprocket, which is going to have a chain connecting it to a different sprocket here, which is on the same shaft as another sprocket. This is going to attach to a sprocket on the lower gearbox, which is going to allow us to steer our powered wheel. First, let's start with the Omni wheels, because if we can't get these built, this whole project won't work. Let's look a little closer at how the rest of the frame works. We've set this up just like in the SolidWorks model. The user can steer with these handles, which have a chain connecting them to a sprocket, which is on the same shaft as a larger sprocket, which has an additional chain which connects to a sprocket which steers the front powered wheel. Those wheels are going to be powered by these pedals. When this rotates, a large sprocket rotates a smaller sprocket, which rotates this bevel gear system, which drives these beveled gears, which ultimately power the output wheel. Now we can tighten these Omni wheels onto these shafts, which are attached with bearings so they can rotate freely. And we can be really excited with how this manufacturing process turned out. As we can see, the actual product looks a whole lot like the models that we developed in SolidWorks. So the vehicle can go forward and turn just like a car or something like that, but also with a little coordination we can get that 0 radius turn.
Right, you stop.
Now the question is, can we get this thing to move sideways?
Oh my god. Oh, dude, you don't even... Yes. Yes. It's super hard to keep still, but yeah. 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 It goes sideways. Right,
with a little bit of finesse, the user can have one hand on the steering and one hand on one of the Omni wheels, and then rotate the powered wheel so that it's perpendicular to the direction that they're facing, cool. And with that, they can move sideways.
No, I'm just taking a break. Finally got all the data. But yeah.
Nice.
Now we can put the vehicle through some more rigorous testing, and we can start with a drift race, where the user has to go around these cones doing 180, 360, and even 720-degree turns. And now we can really test the omnidirectionality to see if it can go perfectly sideways, forward, backward, and even on different angles. For example, here we're going to do a 45-degree angle motion. So there you go, that was the build video for an omnidirectional vehicle. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed.